When people pull up to your home in Clinton Township, the first thing they notice isn't your landscaping or your interior upgrades, it's your front door. Your entry door sets the tone for your entire property. A worn, outdated, or damaged door can make even a well-maintained home feel tired. On the other hand, a new replacement door can instantly elevate curb appeal, increase comfort, and add long-term value. First impressions start at the front door. Your front door is the focal point of your home's exterior. It's where guests arrive, packages are delivered, and everyday life begins and ends. Replacing an old door with a modern, stylish option creates an immediate visual upgrade. Whether you choose a sleek contemporary design, a classic wood grain finish, or a bold color that stands out, a new door can completely refresh your home's appearance without the cost of major renovations. In Clinton Township neighborhoods, where homes often reflect a mix of traditional and modern styles, replacement doors allow homeowners to personalize their exterior while still blending beautifully with the surrounding community. Style options that match your home's personality. Today's replacement doors come in an impressive range of designs, materials, and finishes. Homeowners can choose from fiberglass, steel, or composite doors that mimic the warmth of real wood without the upkeep. Decorative glass inserts, side lights, and transoms can add elegance and allow natural light into your entryway, creating a welcoming feel inside and out. This flexibility means you're not just replacing a door, you're upgrading your home's personality. A well-chosen door can make a modest home look upscale or give a classic home a fresh, updated look. Improved energy efficiency and comfort. Beyond aesthetics, replacement doors offer practical benefits that Clinton Township homeowners truly appreciate, especially during Michigan's cold winters and humid summers. Older doors often have gaps, warping, or poor insulation that allow drafts to sneak in and conditioned air to escape. Modern replacement doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Features like insulated cores, tight seals, and advanced weather stripping help maintain indoor temperatures, reduce energy bills, and eliminate uncomfortable drafts near entryways. The result is a home that looks better from the outside and feels more comfortable on the inside. Enhanced security for peace of mind. Your front door is also your home's first line of defense. New replacement doors are built with reinforced frames, sturdy materials, and upgraded locking systems that provide better protection than older models. For families in Clinton Township, this added security offers peace of mind without sacrificing style. Many homeowners are surprised by how solid and secure a new door feels compared to their old one. That confidence alone makes the upgrade worthwhile. Increased home value and buyer appeal. If you're thinking about selling your home in the future, replacing your entry door is one of the most cost-effective ways to boost resale value. Buyers often judge a home within seconds of seeing it, and a beautiful front door creates a strong emotional response. It signals that the home has been well cared for and thoughtfully updated. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, increased curb appeal adds pride of ownership and makes coming home each day more enjoyable. A simple upgrade with a big impact. Replacement doors are one of those rare home improvements that deliver instant results. Installation is typically quick, disruption is minimal, and the transformation is immediate. From enhanced curb appeal and energy savings to better security and comfort, a new door checks all the boxes. For Clinton Township homeowners looking to refresh their home's exterior without a full remodel, replacing the front door is a smart, stylish, and rewarding investment.